Friendships can either heal you or break you. And growing up, I always used to think that friendships are meant to last forever. And we all know that it's not truth, it's opposite. And here are some things that I'm gonna talk about in this video that I learned about friendships, and I'm sharing all of these because just in case you might need to hear it out so that you won't feel alone. Hey guys, my name is Lovely Jane, and here I post things about literally everything that comes across my mind, and it's completely raw and simple. So if it is something that you like, then I would really appreciate your small support by subscribing to this channel, because honestly I just want to be a content creator and make a living out of it. So yeah, I would appreciate your help. Let's get into the video. Growing up, I genuinely used to think that friendships are meant to last forever. I genuinely used to think that loving people the way they deserve to be loved will equals to them staying with me forever. And I used to give my everything in friendships, especially in female friendship. I used to give my everything just to maintain that friendship, and in return it always did hurt me. So yeah, I had to learn this the hard way, that I should not, I just need to learn to set boundaries, because how can I pour from an empty cup, right? So the number one thing I learned about friendship is not every friendship is meant to last forever. And let's be honest, we all used to think that one friendship will never end, but when it did, it really hurt us very bad. And for me it was the same thing when that one friendship end with that one female friend. I honestly didn't think that we would end up like this, but here we are. And I learned from that friendship that not every friendship is meant to last longer. Just because we are friends for over 8 years doesn't mean that it will last forever. There are things that I disagreed upon and which led to that breakup. So yeah, it's completely okay. I do not hold any grudge. I do not even think about it anymore. For the first month it did hurt me, because honestly we are humans and we have expectations, and we share so many dreams with this one friend literally we grew up with. So yeah, it's okay. And this is the number one lesson I learned, that not every friendship is meant to last forever, and it is completely okay. When the time comes, you both have to go in different directions for your personal growth. The second thing I learned about friendship is real friendships bring peace, not confusion, not drama, and not something that ruins your mental peace. Because honestly, friendships are meant to be peaceful, they're not meant to disrupt your mental peace. Real friendship brings peace and happiness into your life. They are someone with whom you really enjoy your life with, and not the other way around. Yeah, real friendships brings peace, not confusion, not drama. It's just peace, love, and clarity. Obviously, you guys will have disagreements, but it won't ruin your mental peace. That's a difference. That's a complete huge difference. So yeah, that was my second point. Now let's move to the third point. Third point, energy matters most and words over action. Like, let's say, for example, there is this friend of yours that always constantly talks about how they really support you, how they really care about you, and they rant about it all day, every day, but their action prove otherwise. Let's say, for example, you are a content creator and you post online, and they do not even try to comment, like, but they always view what you post. They always view your stories, they always see what you are doing, they are always updated with your life. Like, whatever you post, they are always updated, but they never show the support. In that case, mm, you have to learn this lesson, that they are not your friend. They just do not like what you do. They are just pretending that they are someone you like. But you have to learn this, and you have to stay away, like, from this kind of people. Like, honestly, for your own mental peace and for your own growth, you have to learn this the hard way or the other, because there is no other way. There is literally no other way. And now comes the fourth point, outgrowing is completely okay. Why do we why like honestly, why are we afraid of outgrowing people? Like honestly, I do think that our outgrowing someone is such a beautiful concept. Like it means that you are growing and you are evolving and you are no longer aligning yourself with this person, and this person is also growing, but you guys are growing in different directions, and you guys have to separate your ways just because of your own personal growth. And outgrowing is such a beautiful concept because you are a human, you will always evolve, you will always grow. It's just so that you guys really developed yourself. So yeah, never be afraid of outgrowing people. I have outgrew so many people just for the sake of my growth, and my life has been peaceful. So yeah, I do recommend outgrowing people who no longer align with the lifestyle you want to have. And number fifth and the final point, be the kind of friend you want to have. Let's be real here. You cannot always expect others to do this to you when you yourself do not even ask yourself, like, am I the supportive friend? Am I the kind of friend that I want to have? If you want supportive friends, are you even supportive? Do you support your content creator friends? Do you support your that friend who is preparing for like anything? Do you support them? Do you love them? Do you show up for them? If no, then be the kind of friend you want to be. Do it without expectations, but know your limits, have some boundaries, have your self respect, everything with yourself. And yeah, at the end of the day, I really do think that friendships really teach us a lot about ourselves and life. And it is such a beautiful concept. Like, friendship alone can make your life beautiful through lessons, through the shared moments, and it's very beautiful. Like it is very beautiful concept. Friendship is such a beautiful concept. Even if it doesn't last forever, it teaches you so much deeper lessons about you, your life, and what you want to do, like everything in general. So I do think friendship is very important because it teaches us a lot. So yeah, these are some things that I learned in the friendship the hard way, and let me know in the comment section if there is something extra that you learned about your own friendship. And I would really love to, because I do not think of you guys as my subscribers or followers. We are a community. We share our thoughts here. We are completely raw and we are cute little friends of each other, right? So, yeah, do let me know what are the lessons that you learned in that one friendship breakup, because honestly we all have went through this. So yeah, I do know that you might have some lesson that I didn't, and I am really open and eager to know what are the lessons that you learned. So, yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Anyways, I love you. Bye.